A stunning and controversial turn of events that has sent shockwaves through the geopolitical landscape. The Maldives has boldly redefined its foreign alliances, shaking the very foundations of regional diplomacy in what many are calling a defiant snub to India, US, and a provocative alignment to China. The Maldives, led by President Mohamed Muizzu, has embarked on a path that some critics argue could be a dangerous gamble, potentially destabilizing the delicate balance of power in the Indian Ocean. This audacious pivot has not only rattled India and the US, but also raised eyebrows globally. Amidst a backdrop of mounting debt, the Maldives' embrace of China, a move some view as a distressing alignment with a global superpower known for its assertive foreign policy, has sparked intense debate. Critics argue that this shift could entangle the Maldives in the intricate web of Chinese influence, potentially at the cost of its sovereignty and democratic values. Simultaneously, the downsizing of Indian military presence, a move that has been controversial and provocative shift by the Maldives, raises numerous questions. What does this mean for the future of the Indian Ocean's power dynamics? Could this be the beginning of a new era of Chinese dominance in the region, or is it a short-sighted move that could backfire? Importantly, what are the implications for the people of the Maldives, caught in the crossfire of great power politics? As we delve deeper into this unfolding narrative, fraught with intrigue and geopolitical maneuvering, we invite you to stay with us till the end. This is not just a story of shifting alliances. It's a saga of high-stakes diplomacy, national ambition, and regional power play. Join us as we unravel the layers of this complex and provocative development. Hello and welcome back to Innovative Check YouTube channel, where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. If you're new to the channel and enjoy learning about innovation stories around the world, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help boost our videos on YouTube. In a significant shift in its foreign policy, the Maldives has made a decisive move to alter its diplomatic alignments. President Mohamed Muizzu, who assumed office after a victory in the presidential elections, has been instrumental in this change. His election campaign was marked by a promise to revise the Maldives' India First policy, a stance that had previously defined the archipelago's international relations. Under President Muizzu's leadership, a significant development has been the agreement with India for the withdrawal of Indian military personnel from the Maldives. This decision marks a turning point, as there had been a small but symbolic Indian military presence in the country, consisting of about 75 personnel. President Muizzu's announcement came after successful discussions with the Indian government, highlighting a mutual commitment to resolve issues amicably. Just a quick reminder to hit the like button below. YouTube has been restricting my videos a lot recently because of bots, so your like does help out this video massively in terms of the algorithm in YouTube. The move to reduce Indian military presence is not just a standalone action, but part of a broader realignment of the Maldives' international relations. President Muizzu has been vocal about reducing India's influence in the Maldives, which he views as a threat to the nation's sovereignty. This stance was a central theme in his election campaign, often referred to as the India Out campaign. Concurrently, the Maldives has significantly upgraded its ties with China, a shift that was underscored during President Muizzu's state visit to Beijing. This visit was not just a formal diplomatic engagement, but a strategic move to strengthen bilateral relations with China. Chinese President Xi Jinping warmly received President Muizzu, referring to him as an old friend, a gesture that signifies the depth of the emerging partnership. This newfound camaraderie between the Maldives and China was solidified with the establishment of a comprehensive strategic cooperative partnership. Such a partnership is indicative of both nations' commitment to deepening their relations. President Xi Jinping's remarks during the visit emphasized the historic opportunity this presents for both countries to build a robust future relationship. The backdrop of this realignment is complex and stems from regional dynamics involving China, India, and their neighboring countries. The tensions between India and China, especially following the clashes in the Western Himalayas in June 2020, have had ripple effects in the region. These tensions have led to strategic partnerships, as seen in the case of the Maldives, and similar alignments in other neighboring countries like Sri Lanka. During President Muizzu's visit to Beijing, a series of agreements were signed, further cementing the bilateral relationship. These agreements are expected to boost economic cooperation, with China playing a significant role in the Maldives' infrastructure development and economic success. This partnership, however, is not without financial implications. The Maldives owes a substantial debt to China, amounting to $137 billion, according to World Bank data. This debt positions China as the Maldives' largest bilateral creditor, surpassing Saudi Arabia and India. Chinese investment in the Maldives has been significant, especially since the archipelago joined the Belt and Road Initiative in 2014. Investments by Chinese firms have totaled an additional $1.37 billion, illustrating the deepening economic ties between the two nations. President Xi Jinping's assurance of China's support for the Maldives in safeguarding its sovereignty and independence is a testament to the strength of this relationship. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and comment. The visit also included cultural exchanges, with President Muizzu touring the Chinese Communist Party Museum in Beijing. Such gestures are symbolic of the broader aspirations of both countries to deepen their understanding and cooperation beyond mere economic and strategic interests. However, the World Bank has expressed concerns about the Maldives' growing financial reliance on China. In its October development report, the World Bank cautioned against the potential risks associated with the buildup of sovereign debt and the lack of domestic investment opportunities in the Maldives. This warning highlights the delicate balance that the Maldives must maintain in its international relations and economic policies. In a move likely to benefit the Maldives' travel and tourism sector, President Xi Jinping advocated for an increase in direct flights between China and the Maldives, given that tourism is a major contributor to the Maldivian economy, accounting for 79% of its economic growth in 2022. This initiative could significantly bolster the sector. The Maldives' strategic shift in its foreign policy, marked by the realignment of its relations with India and China, represents a significant development in regional geopolitics. While this shift opens new avenues for economic growth and development, it also presents challenges that the Maldives will need to navigate carefully. The implications of these changes are far-reaching, not only for the Maldives, but also for the broader dynamics of power and influence in the Indian Ocean region. The strategic location of the Maldives in the Indian Ocean cannot be understated. The archipelago sits along key shipping routes, making it a significant player in regional maritime security and trade. As China seeks to expand its influence in the Indian Ocean, its partnership with the Maldives gains strategic importance. This situation is a point of concern for India, which views the Indian Ocean as within its sphere of influence. The increasing presence of China in the Indian Ocean region, through partnerships like the one with the Maldives, is altering the traditional power dynamics. India, traditionally a dominant power in the region, finds its influence challenged. This shift can potentially lead to heightened tensions between India and China, two nuclear-armed neighbors with a history of border disputes. On the international stage, the Maldives' realignment presents a challenge for India's foreign policy. India has traditionally considered the Maldives as falling under its sphere of influence and has invested significantly in the country's development. The withdrawal of Indian military personnel and the growing closeness between the Maldives and China signal a setback for India's strategic interest in the region. For China, the strengthened ties with the Maldives represent a diplomatic victory and a furtherance of its goal to expand its influence in the Indian Ocean. This development aligns with China's broader foreign policy objectives, which include establishing strong economic and strategic partnerships across Asia and beyond. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome your thoughts and questions on this complex and vital subject. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to get exclusive videos about how phenomenally China is developing and growing its influence. Your subscriptions and likes motivate us to generate more content, so please keep supporting us. Check out this video showing on your screen right now, and I will see you on the other side.